So the first job is to take these little clips off that hold on the top of the scuttle panel. Next job is to take off the wiper blade bolt covers, as so. Then using a T15 in my case, undo. Once the washer, bolt and cover is off, remove the wiper blades and place in a safe place. Once you've got to this step, just untuck the rubber from here on each side, and it's just a case of wiggling it out nice and gentle. You remove this middle section of the Sanson post simply by pushing up with a reasonable bit of force, pulling up, just pulling out there, just separates. Is removed. Your next job is to remove 2 torque screws left and right, in my case with a T30 bolt and washer. So once you've removed the 2 bolts from either side, this part is probably the most fiddly. You've got 3 metal clips here. You want to pop them off and you need to pull up and wriggle it out. This can be a bit tricky, so take your time, make sure you don't damage any of the composer or the rubbers up here. So once you've removed the main back panel of the scuttle panel, it exposes the strut brace, the factory strut brace, and this is as exposed as you're going to get when you're working on it. So if you can see down there, this pipe right here is the factory turbo to crossover pipe. It's a good idea that these metal clips that were holding the back of the scuttle panel on, they can come off quite easily. As so, and you could lose them maybe down in the engine bay. So if yours are a bit loose, maybe put them to one side, make sure they're safe. So once you've reached this stage, now you're ready to actually remove the OEM turbo's crossover pipe. Now be careful, there's the actuator there, and if you see this Jubilee clip there, it's not that one, so don't make that mistake. In my case, it's over to this side. Right. And you can just see it there. If it will focus, it's just there. Something like I'm using a small length, 7mm. I'm going to go far in past the actuator with my hand, move around, get quite deep in the engine bay. I'm onto it. It's just a case of removing from there. Take your time. Now you got to take your time. It's not that difficult, but you can get it. So now, 7mm on this one, undo this. Now you need to remove this nut here. Take one of your Jubilee clamps off just to remove the crossover so that you can manoeuvre the new turbo to crossover pipe in. So as you can see, took this bolt out, keep the vacuum pipe in, taking off the Jubilee here so this pops out, and now it's just a simple case of pushing this in, pulling out, giving it a wiggle, it comes out. So once you give it a little wiggle, just wiggle it out, because we've loosened this clamp off, we've loosened this one, wiggle it out. And there is the factory turbo to crossover. I'm going to measure these now. Measure the diameter and see what the difference is with the new hose. So I've just done a little comparison between the Silicon Pro hose turbo to crossover and the OEM turbo to crossover. So the diameter for this one is 6.3 centimeters, and although it looks larger at this end, it's actually not. Some say it's a muffler or a strength beam in there because of the heat from the turbo. So 6.3 diameter. However, the uprated one starts at 7.9 centimeters in diameter, tapers off into a 7 centimeter diameter to fit onto the turbo, so it is actually a larger diameter. Just on a little side note, the Jubilee clips that come with the Pro hoses, they're only a couple of quid, I think like £5. Very good quality. Highly recommend to use these rather than the factory ones, which, although they're alright, they're not as, you can tell they're not as good quality as these. So now it's a case of loosening off your Jubilee clip, small end first, in like that, massage it onto the turbo, and then we can do this end. Over is in, we attach the crossover pipe and tighten up the Jubilee clip. So once you've fitted the turbo to crossover, check it's all nice and tight, give it a good pull. If you check it's all tight to the bottom as well, where it actually connects onto the turbo. Fixings here, down here. Make sure your back line's in. This is all tight, and then it's a simple process of returning all the parts that we took off here, putting them back on, copper slipping any bolts if you're OTG like me.